Players are now able to rally consistently down the wall and can also volley. This game is about showing the effectiveness of hitting a good length from the back of the court that goes past their opponent and doesn't allow anyone to volley the ball. It's also about the effectiveness of standing in front, cutting the ball off on the volley and not having to go to the back of the court. Scoring depends on the ability of the athletes. If they're just learning, you could score rally points. Maybe you play rallies and only score the points that go past their opponent.